This is our model I7S7. And on the back side here is the filter position. It has 5 filters. And the first filter is PP, the second is FT carbon, and FT carbon, and the PP, and the reserve osmosis filters. After 6 months or 12 months, you need to replace the filter. And first, we need to cut off the electricity and the water source. And then take out the wrench and rotate the cover. And take out the filter. And then replace it. And we need to remove the practice bag. We need to remove this practice bag. Then put the filter inside. And then rotate the cover to tighten it. This is how to replace the filter.